Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Travelocity app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Travelocity is a comprehensive travel booking app designed to help users plan and book flights, hotels, car rentals, and vacation packages quickly and conveniently. The app offers powerful search filters, bundle deals, and real-time price alerts, making it easier to find the best options. Users can manage itineraries, access booking details on the go, and receive personalized travel recommendations, providing a seamless travel planning experience. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Travelocity's intuitive interface and the time it saves when comparing travel options. Its bundled deals and package options help travelers maximize savings, while the mobile app ensures easy access to itineraries and booking management. Notifications and alerts keep travelers updated on price changes, flight delays, and special promotions, enhancing overall convenience. However, the app has a few drawbacks. Some users report occasional discrepancies in pricing or limited availability on certain routes or hotels. Customer support experiences may vary, and while the app is free to use, some discounts or bundled offers may require careful attention to unlock the best savings. In summary, the Travelocity app may be worth using if you want an all-in-one travel booking platform that saves time, offers bundled deals, and provides convenient itinerary management. However, if you frequently need highly flexible or niche travel options, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.